So before starting, anyone have any background regarding digital marketing or in IT background? Hello. Yeah, guys, am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir, audible.
Yeah. So I was asking you, all of you, if anyone knows about Google Ads or digital marketing a bit.
Sure, it comes under the SEM.
Yes, very good. Anything else apart from that?
One needs to pay to show the ads on Google.
Yeah, so we would be doing that only. Apart from that, does anyone knows anything apart from that? Apart from Google Ads, how many types of marketing are there? Cool, no problem. So yeah, YouTube ads, exactly. So there are different kinds of ads, but before proceeding further, I would like to give you my background. So I did my MBA last year only. This year only, 2021, in April from Pune, and after that, I was aligned to one of the biggest advertising agency in India, named Merkle Sokrati, and it comes under one of the biggest agencies of the world named Dentsu Aegis Group. Okay, so there I perform basically all the types of marketing activities. We call it performance marketing. The marketing activities or the advertising activities which generates revenues for the firms, or we proceeded for Google Ads and generate or accomplish the firm's goals. So this is our basic work which we do over there. Okay, and apart from that, I also do freelancing for Google Ads on Upwork as well as Fiverr. So this is my background pretty much, and so we can start now. Okay, so I would be sharing my screen. Do let me know if it is visible to you all. Hello.
It's visible.
Yeah. So are you guys able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So before starting Google Ads, I would like to tell you guys why we should study Google Ads, why it is so hype that digital marketing is all about this, and why we should study Google Ads. So in current scenario, or in year 2019-2020, Google Ads hold almost 31% of internet advertising revenue, or it holds 31% of the market share in 2019 of the overall internet marketing share. Apart from that, the next competitor is Facebook. That is only on 20%. And rest all are not even competing with Google with 4.2%, 3.8% and all. But one of the biggest competitor is Facebook, and after that, the emerging competitor is Amazon, which is doing a great in this field, PPC. We called it pay-per-click. Okay. And apart from that, Google this year, Google has so much of business regarding advertising. It has mobile phones. It has other businesses as well of Google Maps, as well as of search shares and web browsers. So it has a lot of business. But out of overall Alphabet's revenue, Google Ads hold almost 80% of revenue. So you guys can imagine the widespread or the vast usage of Google Ads. And it is a study that if we are running a Google ad and someone is clicking on it, there is 65% of chances that the person would be converted, or that person would be a customer for the next usage, or customer for life. Okay, so this is pretty much about the background why we are studying this and why it is important to study Google Ads. Okay, so during this course we would be studying all these things. Okay, so pay per click, what is PPC, what is SEM, what is SEO, how SEM works, SEO works, SEM versus SEO. So we would be studying pretty much today this much of the course, and after that we will be proceeding further with the other part of the course. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just tell me yes or no, so that I would be getting that you guys are understanding or not. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we would be studying this course, and pretty much I would be explaining you all these things today. Okay. And how this and what would you be learning from this course would be these 4 things. You would be having a proper understanding of how search landscape works, what is SERP and how we can review it. Okay, and learn the spaces or the places where we can run Google Ads and win our customers. Okay, we would also be knowing the ad copies, how we form, and how we proceed further and run over Google, and what are the best practices of Google to run an ad. Okay, these are the things we would be learning. So as someone said over here that PPC we would be doing, or search engine marketing. So what is exactly PPC? What is exactly pay-per-click? So let me give you an example over here. Are you guys able to see these
Yes.
shoes buy online?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is one type of pay-per-click marketing. So if we click on this, we have to pay for this. But the scenario is, if someone clicks on the image, there are likely chances that he is interested in that and he would be buying it from our site. Okay. And we only pay if someone clicks on our image and not if someone see it. So that is an advantage to us, right? Let's see something else. See again. So these are the images, and this is basically the image headline, which we would be learning further during this course. There is no search ad coming. Let me see. So this is one of the search ad which I am running currently. This is our client, basically textbook. So I would not click on there because we would be paying for that. So this is search engine marketing results. SERP, we call it. Okay. So this is the basic ad when someone searches, and then I would be proceeding with extensions later on. Then I'll explain you what are these. So this is search ad, and previously which we saw is shopping ad. So there are different types of ads, and I would be proceeding further with them. But for now, let's see what is PPC. So see. So are you guys able to see these?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is a basic search engine result page. I called it SERP, or we called it SERP in the advertising agency. So whenever someone searches for something, there is a result page for that, which we call SERP. In that result page, there can be several advertising, or there can be no advertising. It depends on what we searches. Okay. Like we search for buy furniture and we saw a few furniture images. So these are called shopping ads. These just contain images and the description, including pricing. Only these things they can include. I'll explain you why we choose these against these. Okay. Then it is PPC ads, pay per click. So when someone searched Rolla Moret gowns, then they got these search results. So this is called search ads. Whenever someone searches something and some query appears in the text form, these are search ads. Okay. And these are organic results. Are you able to see?
Yes.
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 Yeah. So are you able to understand what is PPC exactly? What we do over here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So now let me show you. Now you have basic understanding. So this, what we call, is a shopping ad. See, we have just entered buy furniture and not any brand name, but still Wakefit furnitures are coming on top. So they are bidding for that, and I'll explain you bidding later. But they are giving competition with several aspects, and that's why they are coming on the top of the page. Okay. Then these. So there are almost 24 fields where we can rank on shopping ads, and these are all here. If we click on view all, we can see over here. There are 24 spaces where basically ad runs on shopping. Okay. Now, what is organic search and what is? So now basically this, I wrote buy shoes online and Myntra's website is coming on the top with no ads. So this is the organic result they are getting, and they are not paying anything for that. It's just that they have such a proper website aligned with these keys that they are coming on the top. They have everything related to buy shoes online, as well as the inventories related to buy shoes online. That's why these are coming on the top. See, on the second, Liberty is coming. On the third, Amazon is coming. Right? So there is a difference of location as well. If you guys might search, you might see some ads. That means that particular brand is running ads on your location. So I'll explain you what is exactly and how they run. But did you have now a basic idea of what is organic result, what is shopping result, and what is this is search ad. Advertiser, and this is search ad. Okay. Hi guys.
Yes.
Yeah. So are you able to understand this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So do let me know if there is any query occurs. I'll sort it out. So there are many misconceptions regarding what is SEM and how it occurs and all. So I'll explain you that as well in this session. So search engine marketing, one of our student over here, Anirudh, told us that search engine advertising is a part of digital marketing. Exactly. So what we do over here is, it is a form, you guys can read this, okay, but I'll explain you further. So search engine marketing is basically if someone searches for a product and they get the results through advertising, is search engine marketing. Okay, so I'll explain you the dashboard now, okay, before proceeding further. So guys, this is how Google dashboard looks. This is my customer, one of my customers, StarHub. This is a Singapore brand, Singapore telecom brand. You guys can see over here. This is its website. So I basically run their ads for all forms of ads. Okay. So in this, I'll tell you how we run the campaign. There are several campaigns I am running currently. Campaigns is basically when we run a particular ad. It depends on where we want to show that ad. So it divides the campaign on that basis. So let's see, we'll set one of our account. So guys, we run campaigns for different reasons. So let's see this textbook. So it's, what would be its reason? If anyone can just let me know, or their understanding about what textbook, why textbook would be running their ads. Hello.
To get more customers to their page.
Yeah. So
Lead generation.
goal would be always getting customers, right? Everyone is running their ads because they want customers. So what would be the reason textbook would be running their ads? So let's click over there. No problem. Okay. So textbook basically is e-commerce. It is a ed tech platform, and it basically wants to sell its courses. Okay. So textbook wants to run their ads because they want to sell their courses. Someone wants to sell their furnitures, and in case of StarHub, they want as much as subscriptions for their plans. So there are different KPIs, we call it key performance indicators. So there are different KPIs for different brands. I also work for L'Oreal. I'll show you later on that as well. So basically, L'Oreal's KPI is sell as much product as they can. So everyone has a different KPI, and for that we choose different goals. Let's say if there is a B2B business and their goal is lead generation, so they will choose this. If if it is, let's say, L'Oreal, then L'Oreal will choose sales as their goals. And if, let's say, there is a new brand, if we launch any website or anything, then we would be choosing website traffic as our goal. Because as much as customer would be coming to our website, they would be knowing our product. So that would be our brand promotion technique. Then product and brand consideration. This basically encourage people to explore our products, and we tell them that we have launched a product in brand awareness and reach. Then you might have seen that, let's see. So this is also one of our brands. Aha. It is a Telugu movie brand. So basically it streams Telugu movies over here. Okay. It is like Amazon Prime. So what would be your understanding of this brand KPI? Hello. Hey guys.
Yes, sir.
More subscription.
Yeah, exactly. So when we click over here, it needs more subscriptions from our customers. See, subscribe now. And they daily promote a new movie whenever it's come. And there are plans. Different plans for different subscriptions. They basically order. Okay. So according to our brand need, we choose the goals. Okay. So there are app campaigns as well, which is basically when you open Play Store and you see any kind of ads over Play Store, or when you open any app, any gaming app or anything, and you see an ad over there, and it tells you that you would be able to close it after 30 seconds. So that is an app promotion. Then there is a business local listing ads. So it depends on the goal of the customer, what is the goal of our brand, and according to this we can choose our goal and we can proceed with Google Ads. Okay. And let's say if we don't know what is our goal, then we can create a campaign without a goal. Right. So guys, please have a look on these. These are kinds of ads we run on Google. So this is search ad, which I showed you over here. Display ads, I'll tell you what are display ads. Shopping ads, I told you. Video ads, any kind of advertising which you see on YouTube. Like we have some skippable ads, we can skip them. But we have some bumper ads which we cannot skip. And it would be a 6-second ad. So whenever we open any video with millions of views and it shows an ad without any skip button over there, so this is video ads. App ads I already told you. The rest all we will discover later on as we proceed further. So this is basic pretty much about the dashboard. I'll let you know as we proceed further. So let's come on to our PPT and let's read further. Yeah. So basically now you can understand what is SEM. So utilizing our search results to promote our brand or website, or to generate leads, as someone said, or to generate conversions or goals or sales. This is basically search engine marketing is used for. So it works basically on search keywords that someone type. Now, what is keywords? Now you might search for buy shoes. So this is a type of keyword, and this is the results which we are getting from buy shoes. So let's proceed further now. So this is the basic of SEM, search engine marketing. Now there is very much confusion about what is better, whether it is search engine marketing or whether it is search engine optimization. So basically for search engine optimization, we don't pay to Google any penny, but it comes from our website only. How optimized or how better is our website, and how better our website trigger the keyword, basically, then we will be ranking on the top. Like I showed you Myntra, it is not showing any results, still it is on top. It is because their SEO, that is optimization, is better. See, buy shoes online. It is not running any ad, but Myntra is coming on the top of the page because its optimization is so good that they are coming on the top. Okay. So till now it is clear, guys?
The Myntra is not.
Yes.
Sorry, I got some query.
I is not saying anything to search.
Exactly. Myntra is running ad. If let's see, we will search only Myntra, then there is an ad for Myntra. But it is not for shoes. So if someone is putting any query, buy shoes, right? So see, on the top of the page, there is no ad before Myntra. So it is coming on the top of the page, right over here. And it is not paying any penny to Google for that, because its page is so optimized and it is everything which triggers buy shoes. So it is coming on the top. I'll explain you later on in brief what is, because Myntra is coming on the top. But till now, just understand this. The image which I showed you over here. So Myntra is coming because of its organic results on the top. There is no ad, still Myntra is coming on the top. And above Myntra, there is nothing. So there might be that some of the brands might run ads on different times of the day or on different locations, and it might be not showing any ads on my location. So that's why Myntra is coming on the top. And if somebody showed their ad, they might come over Myntra because of different reasons, which I'll explain you later on during the course. So there are many queries why, what is better, SEO or SEM?
Sir, in my opinion, SEM is better.
Okay. Anybody else understand or want to just come and tell their point of views regarding which is better?
Both.
Yeah. So both have different advantages of their own, and nothing is better. There is, both are parts of digital marketing, and both is necessary to get a brand its leads or to get a brand its understanding among customers. Okay. So search engine optimization is basically the result of your website. It comes of different attributes why your website would be coming on the top of the page. The attributes are keywords, tags, alterations, page load, descriptions, keyword placement, links, and meta tags. I'll explain you all these things later on. Okay. So search engine marketing is basically improving your visibility through search without any paying to Google. Okay. That's why SEO is a very long process for a brand to establish itself. If let's say we are a new brand, what you guys think we should choose, SEO or SEM?
So
Sorry.
if we want to grow much instantly, so we can choose SEM.
Yeah, exactly. So our brand would needing as much as audience as soon as possible, since we are a new brand. And if we delayed that process through SEO, then we might not get the customers which we want, and we might not generate revenue as soon as possible. Okay, so SEO is a long process. We would be doing side by side SEO as well, and once our SEO would be coming on the top, we can reduce our budget on the advertising. Since we are on the top, we would be running ads though, because there are many variations. Even after SEO also, somebody can take my customers. Let's say buy shoes online. See, there are these shoes ads are coming on the top, and Myntra is still coming on the bottom of the, not on the bottom but below shopping ads, right? So let's say someone add buy shoes over here and clicks on that. So it is taking Myntra's customers, right? Because Myntra is not running any ad, so it is not on the top. And these guys are on the top, and somebody would click over here and directly buy from the ads. But Myntra is below them. So if somebody would be searching for Myntra, but he got some unique results over here and he got interested from here, he would be clicking over here and directly buy from there. So sometimes customers would directly go, our customers would directly go to different brands if we are not running ads. So we have to run ads as well as search engine optimization also we have to do to be on the top of the game. Okay. So these are the 8 attributes why it is on the top of the page organically without running any ads. Okay. Any doubts till now, guys?
No.
No.
You ask me
No,
if
sir.
you have any queries regarding anything.
So Myntra is running their ad on YouTube also. Means they are doing that in YouTube also.
Yeah.
So they
Yeah.
SEO or
No.
SEO.
SEM they are doing. So as I showed you over here, let's say we created something, let's say sales, we took sales as our goal. Then as you told me, Myntra is running their ads on YouTube, so they are choosing this Google ads. These type of Google ads means video ads they are choosing, and accordingly they are putting their videos or their description, their creatives, and they place their ads on YouTube. Okay, so they are doing SEM, search engine marketing. If you see any kind of ads or sponsored by, these words are basically for search engine marketing. Means these guys are showing their ads, or these brands are showing their ads, and not the organic results. Organic results will not show you anything. See over here. There is no sponsored or ads written over here. So this is an organic result. But when we search for textbooks, see, ads, it showed over here, ads. So this is a search ad. Let's open YouTube. See, ads, boat ads. Are you guys able to see these?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the
Yes.
ad boat is running on YouTube. So there are different kind of ad which we will be proceeding further. and I would be explaining you each of them. And if I would be having any campaign to go live, I'll let you guys in, and then I'll show you how to create a campaign live. Okay. So these are the kinds of ads. So there is the misconception now might have cleared that both are important and brand should do both, but we should not restrict ourselves from doing one of them, and there is nothing better. We need to run our digital marketing from both the ends to get our best customers to our site. Okay. So these are the major search shares which currently we have in the market. So Google holds almost 88.6% of the current market share for search share or browsing on the search. Then Yahoo and then Bing. Sorry, then Bing and then Yahoo. Okay. So this is the the customers are searching the most on Google and then on different ad places, or we can say browsing. So this is what we basically was trying to understand. Okay, SEO versus SEM. See, there are few similarities between them, there are few differences between them, but still both are important for us. Okay. Till now, everyone is understanding everything?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do let me know if any query occurs. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding the how to create ads. Means, can I create ads for my personal use? Means, for my website and other things, sir.
Yeah, definitely you can create ad for your website, or if anyone is running any blog, you can run ads for that as well. So that only I showed you. I'll show you the process of how to create Google Ads account and how to link your website over there, and then we can run our ads for our website as well. So our website, Myntra is also website, right? It's not ours, but they are running ads, right? So it's us, we have to run our ads, and we have the goals in the mind, and according to goals we can run ads further. And which type of ad we run, it depends totally on ourselves and our budget and our product. Okay. So we can create Google ads for ourselves. Yes, we can do that. But Google has certain, we need to pay some amount to Google, and then we can create our Google AdWords account, and then we can run the ads on Google. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So there are some similarities, as both SEM and SEO use search engine page only to show their results. So they both are showing their results on search result page. Okay. They both need some audience. Audience over here is customers. You can understand these as customers. Both need some customers only, because otherwise customers, no one would search for their product or brand, and their ads or their SEO, all that struggle would be of no use if nobody would be searching for that. Okay. Both are using keywords to get on the top of the page. There are some keywords like buy shoes. When we would buy shoes, there were some shopping results. They are also coming on the top from buy shoes, and Myntra organic result is also coming on the top because of buy shoes. Why these guys are coming on the top over Myntra, I'll explain you further as we proceed further in the course. Okay, and then both require proper testing and optimization. Okay, so a regular test. So Google Ads and SEO is basic for only trial and errors. If something not work, we need to change it continuously, and we need to optimize it according to our customers. Okay, so we need to do that as our customer queries. We need to generate a report. What are the keywords guys are searching over there, and what are the results or our competitors or our competitors are appearing instead of us. Then we need to change that. Okay, so these are the basic differences between SEO and SEM. You would be having a clear clarity over here. You don't need to pay for the website clicks, but in SEM we have to pay for clicks. We run ads. We don't need to pay for any impression like textbook. If we see this, we don't pay for this, but if we click on it, then we have to pay for this. Okay, so this is the basic. And if we click on Myntra, see, through organic results, Myntra won't be paying any penny to Google for that. But if we click on Myntra from its ad, then we need to pay for Google a penny, or Myntra need to pay for that to Google. Okay. For long-term benefits, we need SEO, as our now Myntra is an established brand, and for few things they see that customers have confidence in Myntra, and if they search for buy shoes, they would not be buying from any other ads, and they would be getting directly to Myntra to buy. So this is the benefit of SEO. And SEM, since somebody asked that I have a website and I want to run ads, so can I do that? Yes, we can do that. And these are the short-term goals. Since our website is totally new to the market and we need as much customers as possible, so we do search engine marketing for short-term goals. Now, SEO is always on search related queries, but Google Ads are of different formats, as I showed you over here. Google Ads can be run for search, display, shopping, video, as well as apps. So this is another difference. Now, SEO is for your search results, and we can't capture or target any specific country. But in Google Ads, we can add a location where we want to show our ads, and we can trigger that particular region or location, and we can even trigger on a particular time we want to show the ad. Like we show StarHub ad from morning 10 to the night 11, and we don't show, as we have the previous results that our customers not click on the ad after 12. So it is not useful for us to just show the ad and pay a penny to Google. So we save our budget as per the timings as well. Are you guys understanding this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the different platforms where I run the ad currently. That is Google and Bing. Bing is of Microsoft. Okay. Then there is Siri as well, where we can run the ad, and we can explain that to them. And this is how Google evolved over the years. Okay. Initially, the most evolved, the PPC where it has came from is Planet OSS, documented PPC model. Google came in the picture in 1998 and 1999, but just launched its search engine browser and not the advertising. But in December, it started the advertising as well, but only for search. Then it basically created AdWords, a particular search platform. Then over the years, it evolved and now it is called Google Ads and not AdWords because it has so much to do from previous. Earlier, usually Google works on CPM. So CPM is cost per mile. That is basically how much customers are seeing our ad. We have to pay for per 1,000 impression shares. Let's say if somebody is typing buy shoes online and there are 1,000 such customers who are typing buy shoes online. Okay. And there are results of our page. And if 1,000 customers are seeing, then we have to pay a penny to Google for that. Earlier it worked on that model, but now it is working on click model. That out of 1,000 customers, if only 2 are clicking on our ad, we would be paying for only 2. Rest, we won't be paying any. Okay. So this is how it evolved over the years. And that's it for today, guys. Any question, you can drop me. Or you can ask me over here. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. Any questions you can ask me over here regarding Google Ads or any platform? Yeah. So KPI is key performance indicators. Basically, KPI is what we want as a goal for our particular brand or particular account. Let's say Myntra's KPI is the ultimate conversion. Customers add the product to cart and directly proceed further and buy the product. That is Myntra's KPI. Textbook's KPI would be to sell its courses. And I also handle one of the account named PayPal for Singapore. So its KPI is to get as much subscriptions as possible. So are you guys understanding the KPI? What is KPI is basically?
Yes.
So it is basically a goal of different brands, what they want. Like a mobile brand would want to sell as much mobiles as possible. So these are the KPIs. Any other question, guys? Don't be shy, guys. You can ask me anything regarding any platform, regarding marketing, traditional marketing, any queries regarding anything. And if you guys have any problem, I would be dropping my number over here. You can personally ping me and you can ask me. So what you all guys doing